Let's just jump right into it. Today, in this explainer, we're looking at something that is literally flipping the script on how we handle highly sensitive medical AI. It's called OpenMed, and it's an open source powerhouse that takes the world's most complex clinical models and runs them entirely on your own hardware. Zero cloud connection, zero compromises.
So ask yourself, what if your healthcare AI never actually left your phone? We're so used to associating powerful AI with these massive server farms that cost millions of dollars to run, right? But OpenMed is bringing that immense, heavy-lifting computational power down to the local level, right to the absolute edge where your data actually lives. Just imagine the sheer power of state-of-the-art, clinical artificial intelligence running instantly right there in your pocket.
And we mean 100%. That is exactly how much processing OpenMed does locally on your device. Your clinical text, your patient data, those highly sensitive doctor's notes, they never, ever leave your network, period. In an era where literally every single app seems to want to ping a remote server for something, achieving this level of complete, air-gapped functionality, well, it's a massive breakthrough for medical privacy.
To truly appreciate why this is such a game changer, we kind of need to talk about the current standard, which honestly is a bit of a trap. Right now, if you want to analyze patient data with modern AI, you're almost always forced to expose your most private, sensitive health records to corporate cloud servers. You're sending data to third-party vendors, just hoping their security holds up, and essentially surrendering physical custody of your data the exact second you hit analyze.
It's an incredibly stark contrast when you put them side by side. On one hand, traditional cloud medical APIs trap you in vendor lock-in, they demand that your data leaves your network, and they charge you per call. On the exact opposite end, you've got OpenMed. It's entirely free, works completely offline, keeps your data strictly private, and operates under a zero lock-in Apache 2.0 license. I mean, it's literally night and day.
OpenMed really acts as the open source hero in this story, because it doesn't just make local AI possible, it makes it astonishingly easy. Instead of spending months building out this complex infrastructure and navigating absolute compliance nightmares, you literally just drop in a single line of Python code, and boom! Suddenly, you have a massive suite of clinical intelligence right at your fingertips. And when we say a suite of intelligence, we are talking about over 1,000 curated, specialized biomedical and clinical models. Over 1,000. These aren't lightweight toys either. Many of these specialized models are actually outperforming proprietary, incredibly expensive cloud stacks right out of the box. So picture this. A doctor drops a messy 50-page clinical discharge packet into the system. In seconds, and remember, completely offline, the AI maps out all the complex pharma data, categorizes diseases, identifies specific anatomy, and even drills all the way down to extracting specific genes and proteins. It's wild.
And under the hood, these models are shockingly compact. We're talking highly optimized 109 megabyte models for things like anatomy and genes. Just to put that into perspective, that takes up less space on your phone than a single high-definition video clip. They are laser-focused on their specific medical tasks, which completely sidesteps the need for any of those risky network calls. But here's the thing, extracting data is only half the battle, right? How do you actually protect the human being attached to that data? Well, enter what is basically the privacy filter magic. This is OpenMed's core engine, and it actively safeguards patient identities before the data is ever stored or analyzed any further. So OpenMed performs this HIPAA-aware de-identification. It covers all 18 standard identifiers. We're talking everything from patient names down to IP addresses. And it handles this in such a smart way. It uses smart obfuscation, swapping out real names and IDs for secure, formatted fake ones. This means the document still reads perfectly naturally for the AI, without fragmenting the context of the data. And it's incredibly flexible. Whether you prefer the OpenAI architecture, NVIDIA's Nemotron, or a multilingual variant, they all elegantly route through the exact same extraction and de-identification API. So whether you're running this on a massive backend server or just right on your laptop, you just declare one model and it runs anywhere. Smooth and simple. To give you a sense of the scale here, think of it as having 247 different security checkpoints operating simultaneously on your own hardware. 247. It's scanning for absolutely everything, from standard home addresses to highly specific regional billing and tax IDs, just making absolutely sure that nothing slips through the cracks. And because healthcare isn't just an English language challenge, neither is privacy. OpenMed seamlessly handles all of this deep entity extraction and de-identification across 12 different languages, We're talking Arabic, Hindi, Japanese, Portuguese. It truly is a global, local-first solution. Now, while this all runs beautifully on standard hardware, the developers did something absolutely wild for the Apple ecosystem. They custom-built integrations to accelerate the processing exactly where mobile data already lives.
By integrating perfectly with Apple's MLX framework, which optimizes machine learning specifically for Mac chips, the performance jump is staggering. We're talking 24 to 33 times faster than a standard CPU setup. The latency basically drops to zero. Real-time, on-device AI isn't just a possibility here, it is blazing fast.
So what does this actually mean for the phone in your pocket? Well, native apps can now scan a clinical note, strip out all the personal data, and extract the clinical signals in one seamless, completely offline motion. All of this happens smoothly right there on the iPhone. Literally nothing is ever uploaded to the cloud. And what if you're a hospital processing thousands of records a day? No problem. Their batch processing pipelines push up to a 3.3 times higher throughput, so it handles those massive enterprise workloads just as easily as a single scan on a mobile device. Oh, and guarding all of this complex architecture is Avicenna. He's a fluffy Persian cat. Styled in this striking Persian turquoise after the legendary physician Ibn Sina, he is the perfect, somewhat unexpected mascot, a fierce, local-first guardian for your most private data. You gotta love that.
Ultimately, all of this comes down to one absolutely critical question. Your health data is your most private asset. So, when you have tools that can run thousands of state-of-the-art medical models at lightning speed, 100% locally, why would you ever let your data leave your device again?